Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our English class. Today, in this session, we can learn some sight words. Yes, we already learned some sight words. Today also, we can learn how to read and write some sight words. Okay, now all be ready with our English textbook and notebook. Yes, today our topic is sight words. Sight words. Yes, you know sight words. What do you mean by sight words? Words which do not follow the phonic rules are sight words. Yes, today we are going to learn how to read and write 6 sight words. Okay, 6 sight words. We already learned some sight words in our previous classes. I think all know to read and write that sight words. And today we are going to learn 6 sight words. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 words we already learned in 2-letter words. We learned how to read and write in our 2-letter words. Okay? Only 2 new words are here. 2 new sight words are here to learn. Yes, all listen here. But all these are what? Sight words. What? Sight words. Yes. Start. Let's start. B-E. Yes. Can you able to read B-E? We learned it already. B-E. B. B-E. Yes, all say B-E. B. The next one. S-O. S-O-S. So. S-O. So. S all read with me. S-O. So. Then G-O. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. N-O. No. N-O. No. These 4 words you know. Okay. And once again say be. So. Go. No. Then see the next word. This is the new word. H-E-R-E. H-E-R-E. Here. How we will read this word? Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Here means either. H-E-R-E. Here. Then next word. T-H-E-R-E. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. There means udar. Yes. Try to read all these words. Be, so, go, no, S. Read this word. H-E-R-E. Here, there. Here, there. Okay? Yes. Now all of you take out our English textbook. Okay? Open page number 40. This page is pending. I told you in the last session we can learn in this session. Page number 40. And here you put today's date. 10. Today 10th October. 10 October means 10th month. 2020. And this is our classwork. Okay. Sight words. S. Try to read these words. S. B-E-S. B. Next word. H-E-R-E. S. All read. Here. Here. Next word. T-H-E-R-E. There. Next. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. S. S-O. So. N-O. No. Yes. Here what we have to do? We have to read this word and we have to write it 2 times. Okay? S. B-E-B. See how to write B-E-B? B. We have to write in what? Cursive only. B. B-E. B. Okay? B-E-B. Write 2 times. B-E. B. Finished? Then next word, read this word. S-O. So. So. S-O. S-O. So. S-O. So. S-O. So. The next word. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. Then next word. N-O. No. N-O. No. N-O. No. N-O. No. The next word. H-E-R-E-S. Read. Here. H-E-R H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. Then last word, today's last word, T-H-E-R-E, there. There means udhar. Here means either. T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay? Yes. Our class is finished. Close this book. Now we can recap all the sight words that we learned till today. Okay? Yes. Teacher will show you the flashcard and you have to read the words. Try to read, okay? Yes. Yes. Read this word I-T-S, it. These all are what? Sight words that we learned till today. Yes. I-T, it, it. Then M-Y, yes, read. M-Y, my. S-H-E, देखिए आप तुरंत रीड कर देना, ठीक है? ये वर्ड्स को देखिए आप फटाफट रीड कर देना. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. H-E, is all say H-E, he. Very good. T-H-E, T-H-E, the. Then D-O, D-O, do. Then T-O, to. T-O, to. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, has. M-E, me. M-E, me. Yes. W-E, yes, you read. W-E, B. I-S, I-S, is. Then S-O-M-E, S. S-O-M-E, some. And this one, come. C-O-M-E, come. All. A-double-L, all. You. What is this? You. Y-O-U, you. And read this word, R. A-R-E, R. I think you all can able to read. N-O-S. N-O, no. We learned today. S-O, so. G-O, go. T-H-E-R-E, there. H-E-R-E, here. B-E, B. So, we learned sight words. Yes, now all of you take out your English notebook. Open the new page. In the last session, we wrote words with vowel O. I think all had completed the homework also. Today, in the new page, you put today's date, 10th October, 10/10/2020, and this is your HW homework. Okay? Yes, in the top, the first slide, you put the heading sight words. Today we are going to write the sight words that we learned today in our notebook also. Okay? Yes, sight words. S, capital S, I, G, H, T. Sight words. W, O, R, D, S. We already written some sight words. We already wrote some. Written all of you. S-I-G-H-T sight words. Leave the second line. Leave this line. And here you put number 1. What we are going to write now? We are going to write the sight words that we learned today. Okay. So first word S. B-E-B. It's all right. B-E-B. Okay. Then number 2. Next line number 2. S-O, so. S-O. You have to write all these words in small letter only, small cursive only, okay? S-O, so. Then next line, number 3. G-O, go. G-O, go. Finished? Then next, number 4. N-O, no. N-O, no. The next, number 5. Here. Spelling of here, H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. Then number 6, last word. Which word? Can you remember the last word that we learned today? There. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E, there. You have to draw 2 lines like this also. And what we have to do? B-E-B, write 2 times here, okay? B-E-B, B-E-B, B-E-B. Copy this here. B-E-B, B-E-B, okay? Like that, all. Yes, all read once again. Be, so, go, no, here, there. Are you clear, beta? Yes. We can learn the next topic in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe and stay home all, okay?